Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to online classes from Dhari Arkan School. Students, I hope all of you will be fine. Today our lecture number 2, class 1, subject math, topic big and small. Today we learn about the big and small. Do you remember the big and small? No. Okay. Now we learn about the big and small. Open your book, Math, page number 11. Do you remember big and small? In each pair, color the smaller one blue and the bigger one red. There are show the pair of basket. This one basket is bigger, smaller, bigger. Now color in this basket red, and this one is smaller. Now color in this basket is blue. Okay. Now we have the one pair of table. This one is smaller, and this one is bigger table. Here one pair of teddy bear. This one is blue, like that. This is small teddy bear, and this one is bigger teddy bear. This one is red color. Okay. Now we have the two bottles. All of you have bottles. Okay. This one is bigger bottle and this one is smaller bottle. Here we have one pair of fishes. This one is bigger fish and this one is smaller fish. We have the one pair of birds. This one is bigger birds and this one is smaller birds. Okay. We have the some objects bigger and smaller. In bigger object we color the red, and in smaller objects we color the blue. I hope all of you clear the concept about the bigger and smaller. Okay. Now we start an activity about bigger and smaller. I want to show the some pics, some objects about the bigger and smaller. You know, you have learned about the bigger and smaller in your house, in your classroom and in garden. Now I show the some pics. Look, I have one pair of sun. Tell me, this one is bigger sun or smaller sun? This one is bigger sun. Now this sun is bigger, placed under the bigger. Okay. Now this sun is smaller. Now placed under the smaller. I have two pair of lamps. I have two pair of lamps. Tell me, this lamp is bigger, smaller? Student, this one is bigger. Now paste under the bigger, and this one is smaller, and paste under the smaller. I have one pair of trays. Tell me which is smaller trays, this one or this one? No, this one is smaller trays. Now paste under the smaller, and this one is bigger, and paste under the bigger. Students, I hope all of you clear the concept about the bigger and smaller numbers. Students, we have learned about the bigger and smaller number. Now we start the longer and shorter. What is longer and shorter? Do you remember the longer and shorter? No. Look at the book, page number 13. In each pair, color the shorter one blue and longer one red. Write the longer and shorter One has been done for you. Which object is shorter? Color the blue and write here shorter. And which object is longer? Write here longer and color the red. We have one pair of bats. This one is longer. Now write here longer, and this one is shorter. Write here shorter and color the blue. We have two arrows in different size. This one is longer, shorter. This one is longer. Write here longer, and this one is shorter. You write here shorter and color in this shorter object, shorter arrow blue. Okay, we have two colors. One is shorter and this one is longer. We have one pair of snake. This one is shorter and this one is longer. Students, tell me, we have the two objects. This one is shorter and this one is longer. I hope all of you remember the longer and shorter things. These things in the different size. Now we start an activity about the longer and shorter. We have some objects about the longer and shorter. Okay? This one is longer box. We put the things in the longer, and this one is shorter box. We put the shorter things in this box. Okay? I want to show that some things in front of you. Student, tell me, with this watch is longer and this watch is smaller. This watch is shorter, longer. This watch is shorter. Now put this watch in this shorter box. Okay? And this watch is longer. Now put in the longer box. We have two bats in front of you. Please tell me which bat is longer and which bat is shorter. This one is shorter, longer. Students, this one is shorter. Good. Now put this in this shorter box, and this one is longer. Now put this in the longer box. Good. I have two arrows. All of you look good. This one is shorter and this one is longer. Now put students in the longer and shorter box. This one is longer. Now put in the longer box, and this one is shorter. Now put in the shorter box. I have two pencils. Please tell me which pencil is longer. This one? No. And this one? Yes. This one is longer pencil. Now put in this longer box. And this one is shorter, and now put in the shorter box. Okay, students? We have one pair of the candle. You know about the candle? Please tell me which is longer and shorter candle. This one is longer? No. This one is shorter. Now put in this box. Shorter box. Good. And this one is longer, and put in the box. Longer box. I hope all of you learn about the longer and shorter. Students, we have learned about the big and small, long and short. Now we learn about the tall and short. Which objects are tall and short in our home, in our classroom, and other environment. Okay? Now open your book, page number 15. Do you remember tall and short? Color the shorter blue and taller red. Then write the taller and shorter one has been done for you. Taller, this one shorter. They have show the pair of the giraffe. This one is taller and this one is shorter. We have done the color in taller red and shorter is blue. Okay, here we have the two lamps. We compare in the size and color the shorter blue and color the taller red. There are two trees. This one is taller and this one is shorter. We have color the taller in red and blue is in shorter. Okay, we have the two clocks. This one is shorter and this one is taller. Okay, we color in the shorter blue and in taller red color. We have one bottle and one cup. This bottle is taller and this cup is shorter. These objects are about the taller and shorter. Okay. We have the some object pairs on the board. Students, you write the which objects are taller and which objects are shorter. Okay. This is boy. Please student tell me. This boy is taller and shorter. This boy is shorter. Now write here shorter. Okay, now tell me, this boy is taller, shorter, this boy is taller. Now write here taller. We have two beds in different size. Students, you know about the bed. Please tell me which bed is taller and which is shorter. This one is taller and shorter. This one is student taller. Good. This bed is taller and this one is shorter. Student, this bed is shorter. We have one pair of trees. Please tell me which tree is taller and which tree is shorter. Students, you know this tree is taller, shorter. This tree is taller. And this one is shorter. All of you learn about the shorter and taller. We have one pair of arrow. Please tell me, this arrow is taller and shorter. Students, write here, this arrow is taller. And write in under the arrow, this arrow is shorter. We have one pair of candles. You know about the candle. You can difference between these candles. These candles are in the different size. Please tell me student and write here, this candle is taller or shorter. This one is shorter. All of you write under this candle shorter and this candle is taller, shorter. Please write under this candle taller. All of you learn about the taller and shorter. We have a pair of boys. This boy is shorter and this boy is taller. We have one pair of bed. This bed is taller and this boy is shorter. Students, you have many things in your house. Some things are taller and some things are shorter. We have one pair of trees. Students, you have trees in your house, in your school, and in your garden. You please compare the trees in these trees. This one is trees taller and this one is shorter. Taller means small and shorter means taller means long, lamba, and shorter means small means chota. And students, this one is one pair is about the arrow. This arrow is taller and this one is shorter. And now we learn about the candle. You learn about the candle. Which candle is taller and which candle is shorter? Students, this candle is shorter and this one is taller. Please tell me, in one pair of the watches, which watch is taller and which watch is shorter? Now write under this watch is taller and shorter. Yes, good students, write under this watch taller and this watch shorter. Students, I hope all of you learn about the big, small, long, short and taller, shorter. You learn about this topic, clear the concept. I hope all of you, Jazakallah fi malik. Dear students, we have learned about the big and smaller. Page number 11. All of you learn about the small and big. Please, students, make a list of the small and big in your house and collect the objects about the small and big. Okay? Then we have learned about the long and short. I hope all of you learn about the long and short because I have start an activity about the long and short. I have done about the long and short. Please students, color the long and short objects in the neatly and write under the longer and shorter objects, write neatly. Okay? Then we learn about the tall and short. Which things are tall and short in our houses and classroom? We have learned about the taller and shorter things. There are many things, but all of you collect the things in your house, taller and shorter, and then put these things in your box, taller box, and in the shorter box, and then write and done the objects on their books, math page number 15. Taller means lamba and shorter means small. Okay? All of you clear the concept about the big, small, taller and shorter. Okay students? I hope all of you learn about this concept and you done this work on your book and do in the neatly writing and neat color. Then okay, Allah Hafiz, fi manillah, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, Allah Hafiz.